Okay, this is a bit of fun. I suspect that this is Seattle here. I've exaggerated this quite a bit. I can spin it around, and because I downloaded the aerial as just a JPEG, and then I georeferenced it. So that's one thing you have to do is remember what you're doing here. So here's the ArcMap, and what I did is I downloaded the DEM, and then I clipped. The first thing I did was put on the Seattle line polygon, but I had actually gone into QGIS and created. I went to the vector. This is not something I do ever. I went to the geometry tools and I did lines to polygon. I made a polygon from a polyline, because you have to have a special license to do it in ArcGIS, but you can go into QGIS and do it. And I also, let me see, what did I do? Oh, I downloaded I should say what I did. I downloaded Seattle aerial, which isn't very good, by the way, from as a JPEG, and then I took it in and georeferenced it. So I got my georeferencing tools going and georeferenced it so that it then could have the same projection as the polygon and the polyline. Good. And I also downloaded the DEM. I got rid of that. The DEM for the area. And I also extracted that with the polygon. You can't extract with the polyline, you have to use a polygon. See? Then, I can't say that this was just a little bit of work. This was a lot of work. Took it in here. So, here's the polyline, but I first, with the polyline, I went to base heights. I went to the base height and had it lie over the DEM, and then I went to the extrusion and I extruded it up to the DEM, using it as a value that features are extruded to. Okay, and then the polygon I made blue because I thought that'd be like water. We're not using, because once you don't need to put this on the DEM, but you could, well, let's extrude it to itself. Just extrude it. This could be way up in outer space, So there's your DEM extruded, and then I have the JPEG, and I laid that over the top of the DEM. Now, you take the DEM off so that you can see things, and then there you go. So you can, and then, like this. For the scene properties, I did a vertical exaggeration of 15. Let's try something really magnificent. Let's try 25. This will be fun for you. See, that shows you how wacky you can get with this. So if you had a high, like if you had over there a nice quality digital elevation, or not the digital elevation model. If you had the LiDAR, that was good. You can extract that. If you had nice aerial photos, ortho photos, you could do that. This is kind of fun. You can see the kind of flat areas. I bet you they have highways going down there. And then you see we have the sides going up. For some reason, I forget, I get these lines, but we can always take the polygon off and you won't, oh, that's gross. Or we could, even better, make it dark green. Oh, that doesn't work. Anyway, that looks stupid, doesn't it? Okay. That's not bad. So have a bit of fun with that.